make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everyone, so I hope you are well and having a really lovely day today. Today I'm coming at you with my 2019 favourites video, and I'm not gonna lie, 2019 went like that, like it's gone, and I honestly don't know where the time's gone. Like, I say this every year, but the year went so fast. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all the things I have been absolutely obsessed with in the year of 2019. And I'm not going to lie to you, as per usual with my favourites videos, there's not absolutely loads of things. And I think that's mainly because I've kind of done quite a lot last year. Like, I kind of moved out, moved in, moved out, moved in, got a new job, did this, did that, do you know what I mean? So it was kind of hard for me to try new products and really like them, but I have got a really good collection of absolute corkers that you're going to enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So the first thing I have been absolutely obsessed with this year is in fact my hair extensions. Now, I got gifted these from Irresistible Me a few months back and I am obsessed with them. Like, I love them so much. They are probably one of my favourite things in the past year, even though I've had them for a couple months. I just feel so much more myself with long hair. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, my hair has never been this long, like, ever, but my hair was this long and it got cut to here back in 2018 when a hairdresser did my hair wrong, and it was just all a bit of a nightmare and a palaver, and I have filmed that, so if you want to watch it then I will link it in the description. But honestly, it was traumatic, and when they said to me, look, do you want us to try out some hair extensions, I was like, yes, please. Please, like, yes, I really want to, because I want my long hair back. And these are the 24-inch bad boys and I love them. Like, they are quite long, I'm not gonna lie, like for every day they are a little bit long, so I kind of really want to get some like 20-inch ones. I also really want the ponytail because I really want to do like a really nice curly updo with that. I just think that would look incredible. So yeah. The brand itself as well, like the customer service that I had when I was picking out my extensions was so nice. They were so helpful as well, and I just really like them. So again, obviously give them a go if you haven't. If you need some extensions, look on their website. It's so nice, and I will leave them in the description because I'm just a real big fan. These ones were the platinum blonde. I really wanted the ice blonde, but they weren't in stock. But I got the platinum, and then I got them toned, and actually, I don't know whether it looks like it on camera, but they do match very well. So yeah, real big fan of these, absolutely love them. My next favourite is actually two favourites, and I can't actually show you them because they're not here, and that is going to be mine and Lewis's pet hamsters. So we got hamsters back in August. I got one in August and one in September, I think it was, and their names are Thanos and Loki. They have an Instagram page, so if you want to go and follow it, please do. But I honestly love my hamsters so much. Like, I love them, and the fact that hamsters only last for 2 years genuinely makes me really sad because I just really like them. Although Loki's been a little bit of a nightmare at the minute and he keeps biting me and it's just causing me a lot of issues, but it's fine. Do you know what I mean? He's going through his teenage years, you know. But yeah, I love my hamsters so much. So yeah, if you haven't seen them, I put them a lot on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on there to see them. But yeah, Thanos and Loki, my hamsters, are definitely my favourites of last year. My next favourite of 2019 was actually false nails. Now, I used to get them done in a salon, but actually after getting them done for a year constantly, my actual nails were so soft and in so much pain, I didn't want to spend £40 a month anymore hurting my fingers. So instead I went to Boots and I bought a 216 or 214 nail set for £8.50 I think it was, and now I do them myself, and actually it's a lot more fun and I can change them whenever I want, and yeah, I really like them. So these are the ones I had for New Year's. They're just nude, white and silver. I don't have a lot of nail polish at the moment because I never paint my nails normally, so I do need to get some more. But yeah, I've just been using the Rimmel and the Barry M ones, and I've been really liking them. So that is another favourite of 2019. And the last favourite before I move on to all the physical items that I have in front of me has been Disneyland Paris. Now, if you guys have been following my channel for a while, you would have seen all the vlogs of last year. Me and Holly went 3 times and we had the best time ever. Like, I love Disney so much. Like, ridiculous amounts, and I have so many pairs of Disney ears, it's actually disgusting, but I love it. I love Disney. I can't cope. Like, it's probably one of my favourite places in the entire world, and I just love it. And I love Holly as well. She's a favourite. Like, she's an absolute babe, and I think that, honestly, I'm just so lucky to have her. Like, she's one of my favourite human beings. So Holly, if you're watching, love ya. Disneyland Paris has been one of my absolute favourites of last year. We had an amazing time, and you can watch all my vlogs on the channel down below. There might be a link if I remember, and if I don't, I'm really sorry. But it's on the channel somewhere. You can watch all the vlogs of Disneyland Paris. Now moving on to all of my physical favourites. I have got a few Lush items in here, but I also filmed a complete video of all the Lush favourites from last year as well. So if you haven't seen that, definitely go and watch that as well. But I wanted to sort of do a mixture, so I don't know where to start. So my next favourite has actually been this pair of Doc Martens. Now they're completely different to what I already own. I don't own any heeled Doc Martens at all, and when I saw these, I just fell in love with them. Like, I love them a lot, and annoyingly now they're on sale for half price. So I paid £150 for these, and now you can get them for like £70, which is just really heartbreaking for me. But you guys can go and get them, so it's absolutely fine. These are the Doc Martens. I believe these are the Avril boots, I think, in black. I friggin' love these. They're so cool and stylish and chunky, and they're really comfortable. You don't need to wear them in. They're so, so nice, and I really am just obsessed with these. I've worn them so many times last year, and I will wear them so many times this year. I just really, really like them. You can wear them with jeans, with dresses, with skirts. I just think they're amazing, and they go with everything, and I like the laces. I think they just add a little bit of extra something something. So my favourite shoe item of 2019, the Doc Marten boot. And I did just get mud on my bed, so that's a really great time. A little coffee break I'm in. Do you know my least favourite thing in the entire world is when coffee gets to like that tepid temperature. So my fragrance favourite of the year has definitely been Marc Jacobs as a whole. I love Marc Jacobs. It's probably my favourite brand of perfume because every single fragrance they release I love. So if you're somebody that doesn't know what to get, Marc Jacobs perfumes are incredible, and they're not that expensive, not compared to YSL Opium, which I also had and loved. But yeah, it's really, really lovely. And I have been using the Marc Jacobs Honey perfume probably for the past 6-7 months or so. Before this one, I was using the Marc Jacobs, I can't even remember what the perfume was called, but it was the blue bottle with the white flowers on the top. Do you know which one I'm on about? I finished that completely, so I moved on to this one. And I have a lot of perfumes. I have hoarded a lot of perfumes in the past. My birthday's in January, the 22nd. It's coming up. I'm very excited. But every year for Christmas I'd get a perfume, and then for my birthday I'd get a perfume, and I probably wouldn't use 2 bottles up in a year, so they kept on building up and up and up, and now I have quite a lot, so I am trying to use up quite a few more. But the Marc Jacobs Honey perfume is so good. Like, it's really sweet, it's floral. I can't describe perfumes at all. Like, you guys know I'm not the best at describing scents. Like, even with my Lush videos I have no idea what I'm talking about, but it's floral and sweet. That's all I can describe it. It's really light, really easy to wear. I wear this in the day, I wear this in the evening, I wear this all the time, and I really, really love it. So it's been an absolute gem of 2019. So I have 2 hair care favourites for last year. The first one is the Lush New Shampoo Bar. Now, as I said, I did do an entire Lush 2019 favourites video, but I wanted to put a few in this one just in case you missed it. And this one I have loved. I have used 2-3 of these last year, and it's one of my all-time favourite products. It's really, really great. It stimulates your hair, helps your hair grow. It's really lovely. It smells like cinnamon, so it smells like Christmas, and I am just a really, really big fan of this. I am going to, I think, well, I'm planning on doing a hair growth kind of experiment on this channel. Like, let me know if that's something you'd like to see. I've got some products lined up that I'm going to buy, and that I'm going to give them a really good go and see if they work. So let me know if you guys want to see that video or not. But yeah, I'm hoping to do that very soon. But this is really good. I love it. I've used it for so many years now. I used it back in uni, and that was, oh my god, how many years ago was that? 7 or 8 years ago? Like, a long time. So this has been a firm fave of mine for a really long time. And my second hair care favourite of the year has actually been something which I bought about 2 months ago, and it was recommended to me by my friend Katie, who has the most incredible hair. Her hair's like this, but natural. Like, I'm so jealous. But anyway, she recommended this, and I was like, actually, do you know what? You've got really nice hair, so I'm going to buy it. And it is the what is it called? Who is it even by? I don't even know. Garnier. It's the Garnier Ultimate Blend Nourishing Hair Food Banana and Shea Butter 3-in-1 Hair Mask for dry hair. It's vegan, by the way, just letting you know in case you wanted to know that. But this is incredible. Look, it's kind of spilt everywhere. Oh my god, it smells like banana sweets, like banana foam sweets. It's so good. This makes my hair feel and smell incredible for days after. It's so good. Like, I cannot recommend this enough. This is probably going to be my favourites of 2020. Like, I'm going to love this so much. I'm going to repurchase it when it runs out. And I'm a really huge fan of it. So if you've not tried this, give it a go. So good. 10 out of 10, would recommend. My next favourite is actually another fragrance, and that is the Twilight Body Spray from Lush. Now, I would have put this next to the Marc Jacobs one, but I completely forgot it was down here, to be fair. But this I have used for such a long time. I have 2 of these, like, I have a lot of them. The Lush fragrances, don't get me wrong, they are so expensive. Like, this is £20, and to me, like, for a body spray, that's ridiculous. Like, I can't justify it, but it does smell heavenly and it does last a long time. I've had this one since 2017. A long time, and you can hear there's loads left. I only tend to spray it once and just kind of zhuzh it about because I don't want to waste it. But it's so good and I love it. It's so nice. It basically smells, if you don't know what it smells like, it basically smells like vanilla and lavender and kind of, it's so good. Like, it's lavender and vanilla, but it just smells amazing. It smells like the most comforting spa smell. Oh, it's amazing. 10 out of 10 would recommend this as well. I am going to try and link as much as I can below for you guys. I don't ever do that, and I'm going to start doing it because I think it would be really helpful, especially to you that want to sort of check out prices and stuff. So I will have everything linked below. It's going to take me ages, but you guys are welcome. So I really love this, and again, I think this is still available online. I'm pretty sure they do this all year round, so would recommend it. 10 out of 10. The last thing before I move on to my makeup favourites of last year is my favourite fake tan, and this is the Tropez Gradual Tan Tinted Moisturiser Everyday Tinted Body Lotion. You're supposed to use it every day. Like, I just don't think I could use this every day. I think I would absolutely, like, I would come out like an orange. Like, this is me tan. Like, I know I don't look it, but like, that's quite brown for me. And I really like this. I got this when it was on offer for £9. I believe full price it's about 12. But I really love this. This was recommended to me by my friend Zoe, and yeah, I don't know whether she's still using it or not. Zoe, let me know, are you still using it? Because I'm still using it and I absolutely love this. But the amount you get in it is like a lot for the £9 to £12 mark. Like, it's not expensive. I do really want to try the Molly May tan, but I just can't justify spending like £29 on a bottle of fake tan that's going to be really dark. So this one will do for me, and it cost me £9, so I can't complain. And lastly, moving on to my makeup favourites, I have 3 to share with you. Now, I don't live in a house with all my stuff, if that makes sense. I live with my boyfriend at the moment, so I don't have all my makeup with me all the time or anything like that, so I don't I don't ever, like, I'm able to use all my stuff. Does that make sense? Kind of. I like to chop and change my makeup bag, basically, so I can kind of use as much as I can. But I have 3 makeup favourites this year that did stand out and did stay in my makeup bag for the whole year. The first one is a foundation, and this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I think I bought this actually in 2018, I'm not sure. I think this probably needs to go in the bin soon, I'm not gonna lie. But this is in the shade F3, and it's what I'm wearing today. I really love this. Not only do I love the coverage, it's actually really good. I love the applicator. So you have a wand applicator, just like that concealer. So easy to use, so convenient, and honestly, I think this is one of my favourite foundations ever. I love this. I also really loved my L'Oreal True Match, but this one is just so good. Next is my favourite bronzer, and again, I have it on today and I really love it, and this is my Hoola by Benefit bronzer. I have had this for, I don't even know how long, like a ridiculous amount. I use this, I'm not even joking, every single day without fail, and I haven't even hit pan yet. Like, there's a dip in it, and that's about it. Like, I love this so much. It also makes a really lovely eyeshadow as well, just letting you know. But as a bronzer, this is my favourite, like hands down. I love it. I love my NARS Laguna, don't get me wrong, but this one is just incredible. So definitely recommend this. I've used this for so many years now and I just can't get enough. It's so good. And last but definitely not least is my favourite eyeshadow palette of 2019, and that is the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright eyeshadow palette. Now firstly, I love it because it cost me £20, which I'm not gonna lie is quite expensive. However, you get in here so many colours. I love the fact that these are also wearable, but you have some fun colours too, so if you're going to go on holiday, you've kind of got everything in one place. I also like the fact that you get cream eyeshadows. These two, I believe, is that one cream? No, I think those two are the cream ones. Maybe that's a cream, I'm not sure. I don't really like cream eyeshadows, I'm not gonna lie, but actually I use that as a base and then I put my eyeshadow on top and it looks really nice. I haven't really delved in, I'm not gonna lie, to these colours yet. Like, I'm still kind of a little bit shy about those, but I love this palette so much. So I've actually got this on my eyes today and I'm using the shade 100% Cocoa. Shining. I've just got like a mixture of all these kind of going on like on the top, so really love that. And it comes with a big ass mirror, so really big fan of this. Honestly, absolute favourite. Love this, cannot recommend it enough. I think it's probably one of my favourite palettes that Makeup Revolution came out with somebody else. Like, it's probably my favourite, so yeah. Love it. So that is everything for my 2019 favourites. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you to stick around and be a part of my little corner of the internet. I also have some very exciting things coming up super soon. A lot of giveaways in February. I'm not going to give it away, but there are some giveaways coming super soon. And also in the month of April, I'm going to be doing Lush Month. So it's going to be amazing. So hopefully you guys stick around. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.